Hey, what's going on everybody? Today we have an exciting announcement. The self-hosted version of Appwrite now supports the use of MongoDB as the underlying database. This is a part of a bigger partnership with MongoDB, where in future we will also bring the support of MongoDB to Appwrite Cloud. In this video, I will show you how you can use a new web installation wizard to set up your new self-hosted Appwrite instance that uses MongoDB as an underlying database. Alright, first of all, go to appwrite.io/docs, and here in the bottom you will see self-hosting in the sidebar. Just go ahead and click that and go to the installation page. Make sure that you are following the system requirements here. Go below and you can find the Docker command for your specific platform. I'm on macOS right now, so I'm just going to go ahead and copy this command, and I'm going to go into my terminal and I'm just going to simply paste this command. Now it's going to take a bit to pull all the images and stuff. So it's going to say starting Appwrite installation, starting web installer. Now it says open your browser at localhost 280 port. So you have to actually, if you're running this on a server, make sure you have firewall set up so that this port is exposed to the internet so that you can access the installer. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this URL, and I'm going to go into my browser. I'm just going to paste this here and hit enter. And now you're going to see set up your app. This is our all new web installer wizard. And here you can choose between MariaDB, which was our old default, and MongoDB, which is our new default. And in advanced settings, you can find all of the different kind of settings here. You can even add OpenAI key for Appwrite Assistant. And here, just add your host name. For now, I'm running this on a local machine, so this is gonna be localhost. I'm gonna hit next, and you just need to copy this secret key. Just hit next, and then you need to add credentials for your Appwrite account. Once you enter the credentials, just go ahead and hit next, and then it's actually gonna show you the summary of your installation here. And once everything all just looks fine, just go ahead and click on install. And this is gonna create the configuration files. It's gonna create the Docker Compose file. It's gonna configure environment variables. It's gonna set up the Docker containers and everything. All right, it says creating Appwrite account. And once that's done, we should be redirected to our Appwrite console. All right, redirecting to console. And we are automatically logged in, and you can simply create your first project. And yeah, you're ready to go. Now this Appwrite instance uses MongoDB as its underlying database. So yeah, that's it for this video. Let us know your thoughts about the new installation wizard and if it made the installation experience better for you as compared to before. And eventually we would also love to reveal more information about our partnership with MongoDB. So yeah, have a good day.